If I lost everything and had to get 30 clients in the next 30 days with no list, no money, and no network, here's exactly what I do. And none of these strategies are theory. I use these same strategies for my clients and myself in my own business. I help business owners get 10 to 30 clients in the next 30 days using direct response tactics that they're not currently using right now. But it always wasn't like this. I had to learn how to get attention, convert that attention into conversations, and convert those conversations into sales. But if I had to start from scratch today, here's exactly what I'll do. The first strategy that I use is called a DM to call organic flow strategy. And this is for people who don't got money to spend on ads. And the method that we're going to use is Instagram and Facebook DMs plus content. And the play is we're going to find 20 to 30 prospects daily. We're going to use a DM strategy to ask them, how are you currently getting clients? Or if you're a fitness coach, how are you currently losing weight? We're going to lead with upfront value. And in that value, we're going to try to trigger or provoke a call. And a bonus, we can use Instagram stories with CTAs, adding proof, value, and inviting them to take action. And this get conversations going every single day without spending a dime. And if your page is set up right and your content speak to one specific problem, you're going to see quick results. And the second strategy I use is a $5 a day low ticket ad funnel. And this is for people who got $150 or more to spend on ads. And the method is $5 a day on Instagram or Facebook ads and draw that traffic to a lead magnet. And from that lead magnet, we'll collect the emails. And then from the emails, we're going to try to get them to take action on whatever we got to offer, either a call, a product, etc. And with this strategy, we're going to target warm audiences or lookalike audiences. And these audiences are either your followers or people who follow your competitors, etc. And we're going to draw that traffic and give away either a free PDF, a guide, a training, etc. Once we collect their email address, we're going to nurture them with a series of value-based emails. And in those emails, you can either do a soft pitch on the first email, or you can directly pitch them on the thank you page once they download the link. And this method, it brings in leads on autopilot. So even if they don't take action on the first day, you still own a relationship. And the third strategy I use is a hybrid method, and this is my favorite. The strategy, sneaky content plus manual DM combo. And this is for builders who want long-term and short-term growth. And the strategy is a combination of short-form content plus long-form content, and then you use manually DMs. And here's how you run the play. You're going to post reels, short-form content, mini wins, or you could just provide value. Once the people who like, comment, or take action on that piece of content, you manually DM that person. And here's what we're going to say. Appreciate the support. How are you currently getting clients right now? Or you could say, appreciate the support. How are you currently losing weight right now? Just fill in the last blank. And in your content, we're going to use curiosity-based CTAs. If you want the exact CTAs I use, DM me script on Instagram. And in this strategy, you mix in branding with hustle. You're in front of people and you stirring conversations. And this is where the money at. So whether you're broke, got little to invest, or you just trying to move fast, these three methods will get you 30 clients in the next 30 days if you stay consistent. If you want help actually building this out, or you just want the DM scripts I use or the ad templates that I use, DM me client on Instagram and I'll send it to you. In the next video, I'm going to show you how I got 5 clients in 7 days using this secret DM strategy that I use. And if you're serious about growing your client base and you want to see that, subscribe so you won't miss out.